Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this insane audio reverb on Capcut. So if you want to have this effects on your audio, this is what you are going to do. First, you just need to open the Capcut application on your device and then just start a new project or select an existing project if you want to. Here you can just choose the videos or photos for the editing. Okay, after you select the video, you can just tap on add, and this is the videos that I want to make its sound revert the audio. Okay, I'm going to extract the audio first. You can just click on the video here, swipe until you find the extract audio options. This one, click on extract audio, and now the audio has been extracted. So this is a normal audio. Now I'm going to find the speed options, and I'm going to make it slow first, 0.8. Okay, I'm not going to change the audio pitch, and after that, still click on the audio. You can click on this audio effects, and then here you can just find the effects. So the first one that you can try is the mic hook. On the voice filter, you can just find it. Okay, this one. There's also this reverb option directly. Here you can adjust it. You can adjust the strength to how you like it, or you can also try the other one to make it sound underwater or reverb. You can just scroll down in here. Okay, you can also try this distorted mic, or distorted only, or this mic hook. You can adjust the room size and the strength. You can see it's a sound the same with the reverb one. You can adjust to how you like it, and when you're done, you can just click on the check icon. So you can choose between the mic hook and the reverb, of course, for the perfect result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.